Okay, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna do small choppers today, just the two main ones. There's plenty of these on the market, but these are the two highly rated ones and highly purchased ones online. And it's by two brands that we know. The Mueller, which really owns this whole category, many different versions of this. And then the OXO brand that we all love. We all have some sort of thing from them in our kitchen. And this one promises just to give you chopped goods time after time to stay sharp and easy to clean. The Mueller is not just the chopper and dicer, but they also promise with all these different accessories that's provided in this that they're gonna make your cleaning easier, safer, and then they give you all these different things for grating and slicing and two different sizes for your chopping and dicing. Let's dive in and see if one is better than the other one and if the Mueller can really deliver on all the things that they're promising. We're gonna do a quick Shirazi salad if you're not familiar with it. It's a Persian salad, very common with many dishes. It's a very easy salad to make. However, the thing that's time consuming with this is actually chopping or dicing your tomatoes, your onions, and your cucumbers. And that's it, it's a simple salad. That's all that goes into it. I've put some parsley in there where you can add that or eliminate that altogether. So we're gonna do that in both of them and see what the end result looks like. I'll also show you what the dressing looks like. Let's dive in first with the OXO and see how that delivers and what our salad ends up looking like. So we'll start with the cucumber. So here's our cucumber, place it just like that. Press it down, that's chopped. However, I can tell you already, it's a little bit larger than what the Shirazi salad calls for. Shirazi is, this is more of like the Greek style. It's a little bit larger, but we'll continue with it and see how the end result looks like. As far as chopping it and pushing this down, the blades are really sharp. It's really easy. I'm not putting that much effort into it at all. We'll do the tomato and we'll do the same thing. By the way, it's always face down on both of them. You don't want to leave them this way. This is how you want to chop everything. Little bit harder when it got to the skin, but again, to be expected. That did a better job with the tomatoes. We'll do the other half. And then let's just do a little bit of red onion. You can use white onion as well if you like, but I think red just tastes better in this. We'll chop that down. Okay, that's the basis of your Shirazi salad. The one thing that's really important here, this one has an opening here. So it's basically saying, look, when it's full, you don't need to take all this apart. You can just go ahead and dump this out into the bowl or whatever it is that you're using. And yeah, it does do a good job with that. Any Persian looking at this is gonna say, hey, that's not a Shirazi salad. These are too large of a pieces for it to be Shirazi. But you know what? They're all the same size, which is really important. It only took me really few seconds to put this together, which is nice. It's still gonna be delicious. I'm still gonna eat it. I already had the chopped parsley in there. Okay, so let's take a look at the Mueller and see what that can deliver. Already I can tell you, this looks a little bit more promising to me, only from the aspect that it's got the smaller size as opposed to just the larger one that the OXO had. So these are really easy to replace and take apart, both for washing and kind of going back and forth between which size and what you want. You just basically line these up with the two notches in here and then pop the top in and that's it. Okay, so let's do the same thing with this one. I've got my tomato here. I'm gonna chop the end off, slice in half. Okay, so I've got it basically sliced to the amount that I need. To be the same, we'll start with the cucumbers first. By the way, right off the bat, this is a little bit smaller than the real estate amount that I had here. So already you're gonna be pressed a little bit for space. You're gonna have to do smaller items on this one. Just as easy as the other one. Cucumbers are a little bit smaller. I would say if you want to get the perfect Shirazi, you probably have to go ahead and slice this in half, really for both of them, and get that thickness and throw that in here. And then so we'll do the second part, and I can already tell you that this is already a lot nicer and two size of what Shirazi would be like. So I'll do the same thing with the tomatoes just to make sure I get the right sizing. But as far as the smaller cubes in there, that is the right size for your Shirazi salad. The tomato was actually a little bit easier on this one than on the OXO. And then finally the rest of the tomato. But again, if you've ever made the Shirazi salad and you know how long this process actually takes you in comparison to what I'm doing now, this is a game changer. There we go, easy, perfect. Yeah, this is like a medium onion, and it's just about perfect as far as end to end, what it fits in here. So I think that's really the only limitation here. The other thing with the Mueller, you have to go ahead and take this off. It doesn't have, which is not a big deal, but it doesn't have like a little opening at the end. And I've already chopped my parsley in here. That's ready to go. There we go. You can see the little pieces except for the first cucumbers that I didn't cut in half, which, to be fair, I could have done the same thing with those and get a little bit smaller. But again, the aspect that you can get these two different sizes out of this, and that just looks beautiful. That is to size. That's what a Shirazi would look like. And again, the fact that they're all the same and it just looks more appetizing. So really quickly, let's look at the dressing, and then I'm gonna pop some different items in the Mueller one to make sure that the grating and also the slicing works or not. For the dressing, I don't really have measurements. This is just kind of to taste. Usually do for that size, since we're doing 2 little bowls, I'm gonna use a whole lime. You just squeeze that in here. I like a little bit more salt for this salad. Fresh pepper. I like the lime to be a little bit more, kind of like a 2-to-1 ratio to your olive oil. And again, I just kind of go based on how it looks. There's 2 schools of thought on this. Some people like to actually dress this well ahead of time to get it fully marinated. It does make the cucumbers and everything a little bit softer. Some like to actually put it on right before serving and eating it. That's me. I'm of the mindset of the second one. I like to dress it just right before eating it. So here's the first one dressed, and here's the second one. By the way, the thing with this part right here, not to go too much into salad because that's not what we're doing, you could easily add like a little bit of feta, a couple olives to this thing if you wanted to add lettuce or anything else to it. And now you've taken it from being the Shirazi to the basis of a Greek salad and just, spice it up. As far as the chopping goes, they both did a good job. The Mueller seemed like it's a little bit sharper, and I like the fact that I can get the smaller size here. Again, I can't tell you how much time this has saved me. I've made this salad a million times. I want to go ahead and jump in really quickly and show you guys if I use a different attachment on here, again, by just popping it up. For kubi de kebab, that's a whole different video we'll do on all the accessories required for that. You need to grate your onions. Let's see how it does with that. And by the way, you can use this accessory that comes with it for grip, just to make sure you don't slice your hands. And this just kind of grips on like that. And that works well. There you go. This is, if you want to purify anything, that works really good. On the last one, when I was grating the onions, I forgot that this actually comes off to give you more space so that you can grate more easily with this being in the way. And the way it comes off is you just have it basically set up at 90-degree angle and you pull up and this comes right out. Make sure that's the only way. Don't pull it all the way trying to snap it out, because you will break the little ends here. Let's do the slicer really quickly. Again, this just snaps in. I have a zucchini here. Let's go ahead and see how it does with that. Easy, simple, fast, perfect. These are great. Let's snap another one on here really quickly and do one last one. We'll do the julienne. I can use a cucumber. A little bit harder to go back, as you can see, but it's doing a good job, I think. Yeah, doing a really good job with the julienne. All in all, I have to say that they're both great products for what you're needing. The OXO sells for about $22 online. This one generally sells for about $35. I think it's on sale right now for $22. So really for about $2 more, you get so much more with the Mueller than with the OXO. So Mueller's got many different models with different type of settings and accessories. I'll put the link of both of these below so you guys can see them. One other thing, they're both plastic on the bottom as well. They're both dishwasher safe, and they both have a grip, silicone grip at the bottom to give you that little bit more traction, which they both work really well. Overall, again, when I'm touching all the stuff, it works, they feel really good. One other thing with the cleaning, they both every part comes apart. OXO's got this thing where you basically just pull it and anything that's stuck in between pulls out and you wash this, which is pretty brilliant. Mueller's answer to that is they give you these little combs and you can comb, and that actually works well as well. Not as quick as the OXO, but it does the job. It cleans it. They also give you a little brush so that with the sharper items, you don't have to touch it with your hands and fingers and not have to cut yourself. Overall, again, I don't think you can go wrong with either or. Just with the price difference, a few bucks, you get a lot more on this one, but they're both great products. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for liking this video. Subscribe if you haven't. And if there's any other products you want us to review, as always, just leave a comment below. We'll go ahead and get the product. We'll put the product line into our review testing. And by the way, neither one of these products was sponsored today. We are going to dive into this whole segment a little bit more. So stay tuned and come back for more. Thank you guys so much.